quick Bitcoin update, all right? This thing, don't fall for any FUD out there, okay? This thing's not crashing. Nothing like that is going on, okay? It's just having a correction. The daily RSI is getting up there pretty high, and that's all that's going on. If we put this on the daily, okay, you can see clearly the RSI is rolling over. It's up at the top. We're going to have a major alt season coming here pretty soon, okay? Bitcoin dominance, if we go over here, look at this thing. It's down 1.98%. On the right hand side are the coins I cover. Look at some of these pops today, okay? If Bitcoin dominance starts crashing, the daily is rolling over, the weekly is turning up on this thing. So it could have a run up a little bit higher. The monthly is at the top, okay? The 12-hour is coming down. The 8-hour is coming down. All right, so looks like this thing could be coming down right to, let's take a look here. Got a good level right through here, right about 53%. Okay, I would watch that area, and then it's probably going to have another bounce here. But we need Bitcoin dominance to drop, and then we are going to have a major alt season. Okay, the alt season index is at a 41 right now. Once it gets to a 75, that's when we have an alt season. I believe we have a major one coming once this Bitcoin dominance finally rolls over, on especially on this weekly. When it finally starts, when it gets maxed out, these altcoins are going to fly, okay? Now, Bitcoin itself, if we take a quick look at it, let's get it back over to that chart. Okay, you can see on the weekly, it's at the top here. The monthly is still heading up, all right? So Bitcoin's got a ways to go yet. But that daily is rolling over. The 12-hour is coming down, all right? If we look at this chart, let's pull this price up. You got the 12-hour coming down. You got the 8-hour coming down. And the 4 is just about at the bottom. And you can see it grabbing pretty good support up here. Right there. Okay. Now, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing and look for a pullback area for Bitcoin, especially on the daily and everything. All right. If we go from this wave here to the top, be looking for 42.6 down to 42.3. It could come the whole way down here to 41.9. All right. So don't be surprised if we get a little bit of a pullback here. Nothing major, just a correction. But that Bitcoin dominance, once it rolls over, this stuff is gonna fly. And I want to give a big shout out to the members. I sell a trading course, 7 hours of videos, 16 videos out there, and you guys are killing it. These are the new members up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Super supporter. Thank you so much, Jim. At Love and Z, a level 4. The level 3s. Thank you, everybody. You guys are the best. This goes from my longest down. I think there's 50 of you now. Thank you so much. I love getting messages that you guys are learning, calling these breakouts. This is awesome. That's what I want, okay? Out of $15, by the time they take taxes out of it, YouTube takes their cut. I get like $8. All right, so I'm not getting like selling this to get rich. I'm selling it to teach people. I have 2,500 people. I want people watching my channel and making money. That's what I want. All right, I apologize. I got a little bit of a cold, but that's what I want from you guys. I want you guys to sell the top when the top comes, and that's what I want. If we go on Bitcoin. All right, let's pull this up. Let me tell you where I would have sold the top at. Okay. Well, you can see the RSI right there. I did this the other day on a video. Right here when it flipped bearish. Let's get a vertical. Right about there. Okay. Look at that, right at the top, okay? You had one more little push up on the other side, but that little percentage-wise, I wasn't worried about that. The top of the bull run would have been fine with me. I teach you all of that in the trading courses, all right? And people are nailing it. You can get your, like to find out how high a coin is going to go. Give me 1 second, guys. My furnace just kicked on, so I gotta close my door real quick. But they teach you how to get price targets for your coins. All right, 2017 Bitcoin for the next bull run. Here was the target, 75. All right, it made it up to 69. All right, the next target for Bitcoin for the next bull run is going to be, here's your target, 247,000. All right, find it unbelievable? Well, we'll see when it happens. That's where it's headed. Okay, this thing is deadly accurate. You can use it on all your coins. You don't just hold one coin. I held 30 the last bull run. Okay, you can go through and get your price targets for all your tokens. Know when to sell the top. Use the RSI, use everything I teach you, and make money, guys. All right, thank you so much. Consider becoming a member, guys. But Bitcoin looks like it's just having a little retracement, nothing major. Once it breaks through that next level up at, wow, it made it up to 45. I believe it's heading up to the 48,000 range. Okay, then we got to really keep an eye on this thing. Okay, with the Fibonacci on it. We're getting to an area. Let's look. Yeah, once we hit that 618702, we got to be very, very careful. We got to keep an eye on this, all right? All right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.